Viewers, subscribers, and friends, welcome to my channel. It is a beautiful day out here today. Nice, breezy, windy. Sign says road closed. Can't go down that way. This road I'm on is called Scenic Drive because it has a lot of beautiful scenic views here. I am so friggin' sore. It shows you just how quick you can get out of shape. It's been what, about 5-6 weeks since I've did any severe extreme hiking, and yesterday, going up that mountain yesterday was pretty steep, even though the camera really doesn't show you how steep everything is that I go up. But my thighs are burning, like sore, like I ran up a bunch of stairs or something. Man, this is a beautiful scenic view right now. I'm looking at Sombrero Peak right now, and quite windy out right now. Check out the mountain views. And on top of that, the back of my neck, back of my triceps are freaking sore from laying underneath this sink and putting in that new faucet in the bathroom. That was a couple of days ago. But I'm going to go down the end of this road here, because this is the dead end where I'm at now. And there's a hiking spot right down there that I'm going to go walk at. But let's take in these mountain views really quick. This wind is blowing like crazy. Look at that, beautiful mountains. And it's a beautiful day, very little clouds out, the wind is blowing like crazy. There's a big black raven or crow or whatever that is in the background. Beautiful area. It's about 60 degrees, but it's very, very, very windy out right now. Alright, let's go walking. Beautiful homes over here though. Put this window down. It would suck to live up there because you have to wheel the trash can all the way down to the road here, because this looks like it's trash day over here. Come all the way down that hill pulling your trash can. Get some shots here of these driveways. I need a big gate like that. That house right there has a road going up behind it up to there. I would love to have a backyard view like that. The Santa Fe style type homes there. I'm doing a Sunflower 6 camera shots from the car. Oh look, they cleared out this piece of property here. Looks like they're going to build something in the front here. I can see plumbing pipes and stuff. It's for sale. Shadow Mountain Ranch. Beautiful views. And the other side is just as beautiful. Just the homes are smaller over there with no mountain backyard views though. This house has all kinds of solar powers on top of it. And not only on top of it, but all kinds of them over there too. They got a rainwater catch system there. I don't think the camera caught it, but there's a hole. There's another rainwater catch system. There's an adjustable solar panel thing set up there. That house looks nice. Santa Fe style type house with huge boulders behind the home. Actually, 2 homes right there. Beautiful Arizona. Alright, I'm going to go over here and park. There's a parking spot over here, and then I'm going to go walk over there. That rock over there, my son and I went climbing up there, I don't know, what, about a couple of weeks before we went to the Grand Canyon. And it looks like a dinosaur when you're coming from over the hill there. It looks like a T-Rex head. And gonna walk on this road here. That's like a frontage type power line road right over there. It's a little dirt road right there. Just gonna get a short walk in today. I see people park here all the time. They get down there taking pictures and stuff. Not really, really cold, but it is a little nip in the air. One big twin towers swaying back and forth. The camera's gonna pick up the wind. It does like a whistling noise. One big boy. Right next to the road, so you're probably going to hear the road traffic. Everybody going to work. I love these early morning walks like this with the sun shining and the weather. It's perfect. It's a little cool, but it's not chilly. We got a high today of 72. I'm trying to figure out which way to go. Walk myself into a corner. Oh man, I scraped that cactus with my hand. Beautiful day, man. I don't know how anybody can live in the winter time and the snow and stuff like that. I'm a warm-blooded creature, and like I said, even though it's like 60-something degrees, this is cold for me, but it's doable. A nice little bird right there. He's gonna fly away before I can get him. He's watching me. I'm watching you, watching me, bird. I don't know what kind of bird it is. Cactus Wren, maybe? Look at beautiful views. It'd be even nicer if there wasn't so much traffic noise. I need a gate like this for my yard. I like that rusted look there. Alright, well, I gotta turn and walk back to the road. I walked along the road there all the way to where my car is over there. Beautiful rocks. I don't need no stinking gym. My daughters always tell me, Dad, why don't you just go to the gym? Gyms are boring. Go there and see the same people every day. Wait in line to use a treadmill or something like that. It's much more enjoyable and better scenic views than then just drive, go somewhere and just start walking. Right? Treadmill is what, you're walking in one place and you're looking at a TV or listening to the radio. I don't like that kind of stuff. But look at this. Look at these views. That's the rock that I'm talking about. It looks like a T-Rex head. Just got to imagine it. There's the nose. That's the eye socket right there. Right? I picked this place to walk because it's not far from where I have to work. So I can just walk 20 minutes one way, turn around, walk 20 minutes back. And still get in some beautiful scenery. The wind is blowing like crazy. Whew. They say we're going to get 35 mile per hour. Let's just go take a closer look at these rocks up here. This has been hollowed out. Something sleeps in there. I think I get my love of rocks from my mom. I gotta go to my mom's house today. My brother's gonna be over there working on the van that I gave my mom and Larry. So I'm gonna swing by there and see if he needs any help later. See what's up in here. I like climbing rocks. Hide me from the wind. Beautiful sunshine. I like these shoes because they got a lot of good traction. Climbing, walking, getting exercise. Is it me or do these power lines seem quite low? I can hear a buzzing noise coming from the other. But let's just walk to the top of this road here and get a peek over it. This is called Rattlesnake Mountain right here. Must be a reason why they call it Rattlesnake Mountain. I can walk anywhere, I don't care, man. Boy, that truck smelled like diesel when it passed me. My turnaround point. Sorry about the wind, but I gotta walk all the way, go all the way over there. It's just too windy today. And a lot of traffic. Here's that dinosaur head right here. Does it look like a dinosaur head to you? It does to me. Take this trail. A rabbit. Everybody throwing their trash over here. Why are people so lazy? There's a cave right up there. Last time I was here, I was climbing with my son. These rocks are extremely slippery. There's that T-Rex head right there. That's why I'm not going to go climb on them, because I have jeans on. It's very restrictive trying to climb with jeans on. I don't know what the attraction is to rocks is for me, but I just love them. The bigger the better. That's what mountains are, right? Giant rocks all combined together. Dog work. That's the eye socket right there. Imagine if there was a real T-Rex though. I mean, that's a massive freaking rock head there. Imagine that standing over you, chasing you, caveman times. Trying to outrun that sucker. You can step over and step on and crush anything. Scary, right? Oh, the wind died down a little bit. Is this a mortar? Looks like one. Looks like a mortar. Big concrete truck. It's Barrel Peak. Seeing where I've been. People look at you really funny when they see you walking with a camera. It's like, what is he filming? Filming what's behind me because the wind is blowing from the front of me. Look at all them saguaros over there. A mountain of saguaros. Bunch of soldiers, like Faith from Abstract Possibilities. She says it looks like a bunch of soldiers standing in one spot. Soldiers of saguaros. Just imagine if those saguaros could talk. What they've seen, what they experienced. Alright, well, I got here at 9 o'clock. It is now 9:58. Fast time flies when you're out just having fun, just walking and taking in the extreme beauty. This is going to be it for today. There's my car right here. If you watch these videos, always remember to like, comment, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. It'll cost you, it's free. And I'm gone. Gone.